My name is Mike Pierce, and I'm the owner of Pure Maintenance Mold Removal. I've been working in the mold industry for the last 3 years. I founded the company back in 2020 after attending a national disaster conference in Miami. People should choose Pure Maintenance because we are an alternative to traditional mold remediation. Not only do we remove mold, but we also remove bacteria, fungi, and viruses from homes and businesses. Mold affects indoor air quality because there are different modes of mold. It can be growing, it can be sporing, and it's definitely off-gassing, which can cause health problems for people. Building materials such as plaster, brick, and stone, mold does not grow easily on those materials. With faster construction needed, drywall and plaster has replaced those building materials. Drywall and sheetrock is a feeding source for mold. Pure Maintenance offers demolition-free air quality improvement because we know how important it is to keep your home in one piece. Most other companies use chlorine dioxide to remove mold, which isn't safe. Pure Maintenance uses a parasitic acid, which is both safer and more effective. Pure Maintenance has the best solution to improve air quality and make it safer. Our process is inexpensive and a high-quality solution to help you breathe more easily. Pure Maintenance removes mold and bacteria from the entire home or business, rather than just one area. We are focused on improving the air quality, not just the problem areas. Many people don't realize that the air quality in their homes affect their allergies and asthma. Click here to start improving your home air quality today.